for me? Like, how could you miss that far? Like, I'm sorry.
Green light. Oh, go, man, go. See how we go. Ba-da-ba-da. Red light.
Stop! I played these games before! If you move, you will be shot!
Hey.
There's guns in the wall! Do not move!
Hey, you know you're out, right?
What's good, guys? It's JJ, and today we're gonna be buying a rabbit. Let's go.
God damn it! You dummy! You dummy! Stop eating people! Stop eating cows! You eat so many children! So many...
Hello? I would like to buy rabbit. A little rabbit. I want to buy a rabbit.
Okay. Here you go, my boy. He does bite. Ah! Stop it! Ah! Stop it! Ah! You stop!
3, 2, 1.
Ouch! Ouch! I hit my head. Wait! Let me hit my dance real quick. I'm hitting the wall. I'm hitting the wall.
I'm Coyote Peterson, and I'm about to enter the sting zone with the tarantula hawk.
Go for it.
1, 2, here we go. 3.
Yo, bro, are you lost? Yeah. You lost, bro? You lost? Bro, you lost? What? Can you talk? Bro.
Okay, so MEMES, stay right here, and I going over there. I'll be back in 1 minute. Let me see your toes. Can I see it? ¡De la puta madre! ¿Qué se están haciendo? ¡Eh, pinche pendejo! What are you doing? You grounded!
Please, no! No! We think that Animal Company is gonna die, and then this game is actually better than Animal Company because you have so many creatures and so many items, and it's just so fun to play.
Please, money, please. No, it's just $1 fucking. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Bro, what the fuck are you doing back here, bro? What the fuck are you doing? Yes! Oh, hey, wait. This is my mama. She laid the egg before she died. That's my brother. This is her bones. See? Don't take my brother. Wait, what is this? Is it food? What is that? What is it? I want to eat that nasty ass shit, bro. Fuck you.
Oh my gosh! What the fuck are you doing here? Get the fuck back! Oh yeah, this is so much fun! Oh fuck! What the fuck happened? Yeah, fucking let me die! Fuck! Yeah! What the fuck are you doing?
I give you this egg. This is my final dying wish.
take care of him. It's pointy because of how.
Hello, my name is No More on Necro Master. It's song Winter. I'll be singing a song for you, man. It's on big, so I practice. I hate this bitch. Trying to touch my dick.
You lost.
What the fuck? What?
A simple thing. Where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to read. So tell me where. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin.
Let's go for a walk. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Man, I don't want no fucking shot. Yep, I think that was good.
Alright, that's it. Time to die.
But he's the one who exploded us in the first place.
Oh, really?
My finger slipped.
Oh, really?
I don't know what to say.
Oh, really?
I just shot.
Oh, really?
How is him pooping his pants have anything to do with me?
Oh, really?
Well, you just.
Oh, really?
What's up, dweeb? Yeah, fight me, dweeb. Yeah, good job.
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Oh my god.
Mercy, mercy, no, mercy.
You can fall for anything. You can throw this bone. Go fetch.
Like your braids. Drop a follow button and shake and shake. Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah, fuck your ass, dumbass hoe.
We are not horses. We are humans. And humans are. Get this baby out of my face. I want that money. Yo, so where's my money? JJ?
Oh, stole your fist.
Hey! No! No!
Yo, take it back. Take it back, bro. I'm sorry.
Just jump down. It's not scary.
Okay. Here, jump down after me.
Alright.
Holy. Oh, I did it. Where's he?
Yeah, bro, yeah, it's over here, you know? I kinda clogged the toilet, though.
You clogged the toilet. Okay.
Yeah.
What shit. Oh!
Taco. I had a bit of taco, though, bro. Sorry.
Oh! Smell it!
Bro, get the fuck away from
Oh! I'm going in.
me. Dude, don't.
Oh! I gave you a company card!
Chill, bro. I got you. I got you.
Get him!
my birthday today, guys.
Please.
Hey!
Why is there so much?
Recording. That was my favorite item!
Here is how you enter. We're doing it.
Sure. No, I did not trust you. I did not trust you like somewhere, so I just teleported you. You guys know what I just experienced?
Mommy? What the fuck happened to you, fucking bitch?
Also, looks like
Oh my
it's so
god, my
crazy.
game is lagging.
Don't
my
run
game
through
is
it.
lagging.
Over here. We just over here.
Oh my god, my game is lagging, bro.
We forgot to place over here. I made an entire barricade. Lasers. So nobody can get in or out. You place it there. Yo, wait. No, it's extra security. So no, look at this. So if somebody tries to run through and they're like red watch, they're gonna die. Gotta buy one more.
Oh my god, yo, my game is lagging.
Same. Okay, I feel like we should like make it more secure. I did nothing. What? Oh yeah, my game is lagging. It goes all the way up to there. If somebody in the sky even does it, it'll go off. Okay.
Oh my god.
Most secure part of the base ever, bro. It's okay if you explode one.
Yo, dude.
Look at this, bro. This is crazy.
I can't buy it anymore. I'm broke.
Bro, we got the whole area. Okay, I need to place one here. I can still buy more.
anymore.
I'm gonna buy more. I'm still on cooldown. I'm on cooldown. Wait, what happened?
Oh my god. I didn't even touch. My game's lagging. So bad.
I think we reached the max amount. No. Bro, I want to run through so bad, but I don't want to. I'm watching my money just like drain.
You should be like, yo,
I have an idea.
Have you ever seen Cooking with Jack?
Oh yeah.
Or like,
Yeah, you should be cooking with whatever your name is, and you're like, no, like, don't say cooking, like, I'm gonna say, what you doing, your name, and then I'm gonna say, we're in a bank robbery, we gotta do this thing, and then you're just gonna run straight through it.
Bro, this is like crazy though. This is like, we're like the first people to do this.
Here, let me take a screenshot of it.
Bro, I'm already recording. Okay, I need to get past these ones. You could just go over here, but we like in a rush and they're trying to rush. Bro, what happens? Are they all despawning? They're despawning! We need to destroy them!
Oh my.
Should we destroy them? Yeah, they're all despawning!
Oh my god!
Okay, destroy the laser wall now! We got the entire laser wall, that was God. Look at that, bro. This is crazy. The last two lasers!
Wait, one more! Yeah!
There goes all the lasers. Oh no, there's still more! I'm gonna destroy them all though. Wait, can you put the bombs on the sticky? Can you put the bombs or the things on anything? Cause that gives me an idea.
Wait, what if you take a baseball bat?
Yo, look. Oh, one wrong movement, bro. Why is there not so much blood stains?
Oh no.
Sometime it has put the weather machine on 7. They are all about to die. The disasters are as follows. Tornado.
Do you have no friends like this poor kid right here? Well, this is the Buddy Maker 3000, and to activate it, you gotta click it 3 times just like that, and wait a few seconds for it to open. Once up, you drop out your buddy ball, and there's your best buddy.
You want a cigarette?
Not really.
Well, more for me.
Now remember to get your Buddy Maker 3000 today for the low price of $9,990. Batteries not included.
Ian, go to app. Ian, go to app.
I am.
Oh, no.
Are you guys still killing?
Shred this.
No!
I think we should push you. Hey, look!
Revive him and
now
then...
he's literally
I
bowling.
was gonna shoot him after you revive.
Wait, let him come back. Let him come back.
He's screaming over radio.
No, we actually feel like super bad. Actually, come back. We're gonna give it back. It's literally just a Viking shield. Come get it back. You're good.
Just keep it one more time.
Hey, we're joking. We're joking. That was a joke. It has no ammo. It has no ammo.
Go one more time, and then there's one waiting for.
Okay. Watch.
He's breaking the whole sound barrier.
You know what? You want it back? Going back? Yeah, there's only like 3 nuts. Less than you have.
Would be a shame if I killed you.
Yeah. Bring it back. Let's go back to spawn and sell it.
Hey, what's it mean, trust?
Nah, he's my friend. He's good.
Let's see. I need to eat. Stupid Ian. Wait, no, let's all kill each other so we don't have red watch.
No, I'm gonna just go back.
Okay.
I'm not giving it to you. You can have
Where's the little kid? Hey, hey, Blue, Blue, look at this.
You're the guy that shredded it! He's the guy that
How are you not dead? You're so my balls came off.
So mad,
Shut up, please! You can literally get the Viking shields from a spider kill. It's so easy.
It's actually not easy.
up!
Oh, okay, I guess you don't want the Viking kill.
It's actually not easy.
Oh no!
Yeah, you were way too slow.
I saw you shred it! I saw you shred it and then you stole it! How am I gonna get it
No,
back?
I'll give you this as compensation. I'll give you this, okay? Go get
Yo,
it.
who wants a free Viking shield? Who wants a free Viking shield?
I do.
Who does?
No, they're the guy that bullied me. It's the guy that bullied me.
You're dead.
Bullied.
So should I shred it instead?
That's nice, red watch you got.
Shred it, shred it.
Shred it! Shred it!
No, no,
Shred it,
Shred it.
shred it,
no,
shred it.
Okay, I'm going to pop your eyeballs
Nah,
out.
he's faking it. He's faking it. He's
Hey,
faking
Blue, 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 Blue.
Because randomly, the PvP switches off. I don't know why. It's like you can't kill nobody. I'm just saying, it was the same thing.
You can have this apple. What's in this cup? Take it. Are you fucking stupid?
Back. You should sell the. You should sell the umbrella. You should totally.
Everybody's not everybody.
Bro, that was mine. That was mine. Give me the ring.
Don't give it, man. Please don't give it. Just near, dude. Do you guys also find this? Stay back. Hilarious?
I gave you the company coins! Give me it!
Okay. Oh, it gone. Oh.
One stick or double it and give it to the next person.
Double it.
2 sticks or double it and give it to the next person.
I think I'm gonna double it.
Okay. 4 sticks or double it and give it to the next person.
I'm gonna double it.
Okay. 8 sticks or double it and give it to the next person.
I think I'd like to double it, twin.
Okay. 16 sticks or double it and give it to the next person. That's a lot of sticks. I think I'll double it. Okay. 32 sticks or double and give it to the next person. Please take it.
I mean, I could
Please
use
take
that
it.
for my toy.
Please take it.
Double it and give it to the next person. Sorry.
64 sticks or double it and give it to the next person.
Animal company, but
Kick my uncle in the balls, yeah, I'm Batman. I just ate a protein bar out of a trash can. Fought a cripple, man, that dude really lacked hands.
This is a Pinkless Dinkless, also known as the living, breathing
Pikachu.
In nature, they're mostly known for their hostility towards animals. Oh God! And of course, they come in different colors for the family. Of course, this one's the rarest. Come on down and get yourself a Pinkless Dinkless. You're not planning on killing me, right? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah, gummy, 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 gummy bear. Gummy, 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 gummy bear.
Three, 2, 1, go.
One, two. Scammer get scammed. Scammer get scammed. Haha.
We're not in
Scammer.
safe zone.
What?
We're not in safe zone.
What?
Alright, Turtles, before we go into battle, state your name.
My name is Don Pollo.
That smells good.
Leopardo.
My name is Raphael.
My name is Michelangelo, and we are the Returnos!
Where's the monster? There he is! He's right there! Get him! Get him! Oh my gosh! No! What the? Leopardo! What happened?
Yeah, what's up? Yeah, yo, what? Yo, chill. Okay, I didn't do it. Yo, chill. I didn't do it.
Alright, I have some very valuable items in this backpack right here. You want them?
Yeah, give it to me. Wow, what is that?
Respawn me! Respawn me!
DJ, turn up that beat, yo.
Okay, good sir.